We have the freshly, not completely rebuilt, but a lot of new parts, KX85.
I'm in Chicago for a long weekend to ride, and there's a ride right now, but I'm late, so I'm gonna show up.
And I'm gonna see if I can find any bikes. Yeah, I drove all day today. This is big for me. It's been leading up to. I think I found him. I think I found him. I think I found him. We got a bike. Let's go. It's the guy Reckless.
What's up, guy?
How you doing?
All my sprocket bolts backed out twice.
Well, good thing you got tools on you.
I got a couple.
How are you doing, Brian?
Good, brother.
Good to see you.
Aren't you a sight for sore eyes? We're waiting for the other half of the pack.
I've been chasing you guys around for like an hour.
Go look at my tire.
Oh boy. But you could ride the 85 back and we'll put the bagger on the hitch.
Yeah, we'll put the bagger on the hitch.
Did you guys chase the pack for the past fucking?
Yeah, bro, I'm in that Honda Pilot over there.
Why are you in a Honda Pilot?
Because my girl is very generous.
Oh my god. Yeah! Let's fucking go!
It's popping, bro.
Bro, where's your bike at?
We got the dirt bike guys out here.
Where the fuck your bike at?
Well, this is probably the last. Hopefully I can find the pack again, but all I got was a bunch of traffic. I lost the bikes. I think they got off an exit and I didn't get off the exit. Man, this is so frustrating. And it was so hard to chase motorcycles, bro. I was wrong. They got off at that exit and I kept going. Oh, come on. Alright, so about a year and a half ago, I was in California. My guy Bear Stunts helped me change a tire. For whatever reason, this tire iron has been in my possession since. I don't even know how to use it. In California a year and a half ago.
This isn't mine.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, bro.
This is Phil's.
Oh, shit.
He had the bent one with the same kind.
Ooh. Roll yourself over here, my guy.
I'm not calling myself a chef or anything, but I know how to turn the oven on, you know?
The frosting ratio is very impressive.
I drizzled them all myself. I had to slice the icing bag and everything.
I doubt you would get it. It was nice, I was missing meals. I got different skills. I was fit to kill. Got that devil flesh, but I'm sick as hell. I'm a bit deranged. Life went on track. Took much to train like a boxing match.
Alright, thank you.
Shot the title back. I'm the people's champ. Cause my family know that. Out the road to keep a score. Home from the boulevard to the courtyard to the courthouse. I done seen it all. I don't like to talk, so I'm answer calls. What I said is stamped. I be standing on. Killing, I can't fight it.
I've been going down this road for too long. Don't know which way's right or wrong, so I'm gone. But I know I'll find a way to move on. Through it all, I still stay strong. I'm on the road. This is the one less traveled, and this ain't the one. Let's look at the progress. This ain't a contest. My shit is complex. I'm on a conquest. I don't got concepts. I just got projects. Plus, just gon' comment, thinking I lost it, but I still got it. Keep in my pocket. Life of a profit, making this profit. Never deposit. Racks in the closet. I gotta keep it close for when I need it most. When I'm talking about a shot, I might need a toast. They gon' listen when the king speak, and I'm futuristic. This my king speech. When I'm talking, I need you to sit down on my Chris Brown. Got my wrist drowning, I'm lit now. My Rihanna shit, I'm running this town.
This bike is unrideable. right? What? You running Klotz oil? What? Klotz oil? It's two-stroke oil. Oh, yeah, I don't remember. I just put it in there. Make sure it runs. Oh, that's way too. Yeah, real small one. Oh, she'll do it. Oh, stripping it. Thank you. What was your name? Frankie. Shout out to Frankie Sideways, hooking it up.
Suck it good, baby, around me, don't be nervous. I like the way she working, so I go by her Birkins. Tearing her apart, got me looking like a surgeon. Semi-automatic for a nigga, I ain't lurking, what's up? She want a fuck cause I'm up. Gave a good pipe, now she falling in love.
Homie was coming right for me.
Don't mention your ex, baby, that get the duck.
You like that? Yeah. Nah, I go like this, like. Is that E-Money in the building? What's up? Bro, how you been? Thank you.
Man, I got you, bro.
Hey, tell them where to go to get their bike looking fresh. Yeah.
Gold to supply in the Moto store.
Hell yeah. Oh man, now he's turning around. Ah, so many bikes.
Gave a good pipe, now she falling in love. Don't mention your ex, baby, that get the duck. Pull up to the party, we gon' really turn up. I'm like Buffalo, I'm dope boy, big crack nigga from the Buffalo East. Hit my line if you need some gas in the streets or the drugs. I've been selling in my life looking sweet. Hey. If you ain't about the money, see you later. Only thing on my mind is that green paper. Cop the new Wraith and I'm feeling. Gray stars in the roof got me feeling even greater. Yeah, I ain't ever worried about no hater. You all alone looking like a chronic masturbator. Niggas really wishing they could be like me. Got so many cars, I'm about to give her like 3. I was clocking in for work, now I feel free. Taking huge bells, now I'm on with the street. Christian Dior looking clean up.
Oh yeah, we got Maserati. That's all nice.
My feet, now I'm on the yacht, cause you my beautiful friend. Yeah, suck it good, baby, around me.
Hell yeah! They're bike gang.
Pull up to the party, we gon' really turn up. Just copped a new crib, now I'm out here going crazy, throwing racks. Showing off my bag for these niggas talking smack. Baby, I'ma throw you some cash for that big old ass. Take all the money, girl, don't even ask. Got me so hooked, then you looking like a snack. I'm a wise guy, baby, I'm made for this. I'm the type of man you should be hanging with. Glock on my side is what